Alright everyone, today we are talking about two of Microsoft Excel functions, that is proper and trim. As you can see, I'm having a data set in front of me where some of the letters are in capital and small and it does not look good. Some of the words are having way too many spaces in between them. So just imagine a scenario where you are having thousands of line of data in such a manner. You are not going to do the efforts manually to change all those things, so you can utilize proper and trim function to do it. How you can do it, I will show you exactly. Type in equal to, search for the functions that is proper. The moment you see the function, press tab, it will select the function. Now select the dataset. So Amit Singh is going to be my first dataset. Close the bracket, press enter. As you can see, the H at the end of SINGH became small. Now it is formatted. Similarly, you have to repeat the same thing for other values. So select the box, go to the right hand bottom side. The moment you see the big plus sign, double click on it. Voila! You can see the data is formatted, but still some of the words are having way too many spaces in between them. So now we are going to utilize trim function. Again, do the same thing. Type in equal to, search for the function trim. The moment you see it, press tab to select the function. After that, select the data set. Now here I'm going to select column B Amit Singh so that I can remove the spaces. Close the bracket, press enter. Since Amit Singh was already formatted, we are not going to see any kind of changes. To repeat the same thing for other values, select the box, go to the right hand bottom side. Again, do the same thing. The moment you see the plus sign, double click on it, and as you can see, all the spaces between the words are removed. So in this manner, you can basically save quite a lot of time and manual effort and make your life easy using these two functions. Alright everyone, so this is all for today. Please do let me know what you want me to cover in my next upcoming videos. Do you want me to cover Microsoft Excel, Windows, Linux, PowerShell, or any other technology? I would love to hear from you. Please do comment. Do subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to basically keep the content coming and to do more research on the same thing. It also takes me quite a lot of time, so definitely it increases my knowledge as well. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.